So the question goes, can money buy time? Yeah, money can buy time, and that is why we are doing investment, isn't it? So why do we need more money? Firstly, it's because we want to have a better lifestyle, that we're able to give our family a better life. And secondly, of course, everyone would actually have a dream that is pushing them. They want to achieve their dream, they want to reach to their goal. And thirdly, it's because we want to save and we want to retire as well. And every of this is equally important in order for us to be happy as a human, right? So that is why we are doing investment. So as we are doing investment, some people they love buying property, so they focus more on property. Some they will focus more on share or on unit trust. Well, by using life insurance, you can have a guaranteed fixed amount of wealth to be left behind for your family. So the money that you made up from investment, you can enjoy it. Imagine that you have so many property and you don't liquidate those property out. End of the day, your family member, they receive it and they will sell it away because they have other property they may like and they want to enjoy the money too. But while you're here, why aren't you enjoying the effort that you have already put in from the start? That the growth of the profit, the capital appreciation is there already, right? So a lot of people, they regret that they don't actually have more time with their family and to have a wonderful memory. And it's very sad when we hear that, and we don't want to hear that from our client. We want our client to be happy. So what can a person do? In fact, they can actually liquidate some of their property from time to time and to put it into insurance product. And besides, let me just share with you a very simple example. Let's say that you are setting aside ₦1,000,000 physically. Then that is actually quite difficult because rather than setting aside ₦1,000,000 physically, then you would rather put it into investment, and that is a wiser choice. But there is no guarantee at the same time. Even you talk about shares or property, we wouldn't know because the world is changing very quickly, right? Over here, we are able to guarantee for our customer in any point of time there is anything that happens on the contract, death, disability or critical illness, then we will pay out a lump sum of money. Say for example, you want to have ₦1,000,000. So how much a person at the age of 40 they need to set aside? 7,000 ringgit. 7,000 divided by 12 a month roughly is just 500 over ringgit. And 10 years time, a person they would have put in 70,000. 20 years time, 140,000. 30 years time, age of 70 would have put in 210,000. If anything happened, we are still multiplying it by 5. Isn't that wonderful? And we are paying out this money in cash and it's all tax-free. Listen, it's all tax-free and it's cash within 2 weeks to a month time, and all this money will go toward to the family immediately and easily without through any process that is led by the court, right? And that would actually solve a lot of problem, and family, they will be happier as well rather than living by certain physical assets behind. Of course, you have some physical assets behind. That is actually good because some of it comes with a sentimental value. But this is something that you can do. You can leverage on insurance, and this is what many people have begun doing it ever since a few years ago. And it's not too late. You can do this too. And while your other investment money that you have made from there, you can just enjoy those. And every year you're making those extra money, just take some of the percentage of the money and to put it into this life insurance policy as a gift of love, as a legacy behind to your family. And that is my sharing. Thank you for watching. Do hit me a like, press a share, and do subscribe that you can see more video. Do share this video with your loved one. Alright? Take care guys. See you. Take care. Bye.